Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to schedule Instagram post. So first you just have to launch your Instagram application and then look for that specific picture, image, or video that you want to post. Now feel free to edit and then tap next. Now what you're going to do here is to scroll down and look for advanced settings. Tap this one and then under advanced settings, you can see here some features and options. You can just go directly to schedule this post, turn this one on. And as you can see here, you're just going to set this schedule. Okay, for example, you want to post this coming October 16 at 12:40. So that's it. Now, if you want to add location or add some captions, you can simply add captions here. You can tag people here if you want. And then after that, all you have to do is just simply click share. Now, if you want to edit something or change something, you can go back to advanced settings. Now, once done, tap share and you can go back to your Instagram to see the status or to see your scheduled post. So you just have to tap this three lines in the top right corner. And then under three lines, you can see their scheduled post. So what you're going to do here is just simply click schedule content rather. And then if you want to edit something, tap this three dots so you can edit post if you want. You can change the caption if you want. Okay. And then after that, you can also reschedule it if you want. Let's just say October 17 rather. And then if you want to share now or if you want to delete, so just simply tap this three dots to edit. As easy as that.
Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.